Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been on many aspiring entrepreneurs' minds: how to build a profitable Etsy store. Whether you're a crafter, artist, or vintage enthusiast, Etsy offers a fantastic platform to showcase and sell your creations. So let's get started. Etsy is a marketplace that specializes in handmade, vintage, and unique factory-manufactured items. With over 81 million active buyers, it's an excellent platform to reach customers who appreciate unique and custom-made products. First things first, you need to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique products can you offer? It's crucial to choose a niche that you love because it'll keep you motivated and engaged. Setting up your Etsy shop is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up for an Etsy account. 2. Choose your shop name, make it memorable and reflective of your brand. 3. Set your shop preferences, language, country, and currency. 4. Create your listings. Include high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Remember, your shop name and branding are crucial. They should reflect what your store is about and appeal to your target audience. Your product listings are your shop's lifeline. Here's how to make them stand out. High-quality photos from different angles, clear and concise titles, detailed product descriptions including size, materials, and usage, and of course, competitive pricing. Don't forget to use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. This will help your products appear in Etsy's search results. Pricing your products correctly is essential. You need to cover your costs and make a profit, but your prices also need to be competitive. Calculate all costs such as materials, labor, shipping, and fees. Research competitors' pricing and test different pricing strategies. Offering discounts and promotions can also attract more customers and increase sales. Marketing is key to driving traffic to your Etsy store. Here are some effective strategies. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Engage with your audience, collaborate with influencers, and invest in Etsy ads. Consistency is crucial. Regularly posting on social media and engaging with your audience can significantly boost your visibility. Excellent customer service can set you apart from the competition. Respond to customer inquiries promptly, address any issues professionally, and ensure your products are shipped on time. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your shop to others. Regularly analyze your shop's performance. Use Etsy's analytics tools to track your sales, traffic, and customer behavior. This data can help you make informed decisions to improve your shop. Remember, building a profitable Etsy store takes time and persistence. Keep learning and adapting and you'll see progress. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to building a profitable Etsy store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on running a successful online business. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Need more help with your Etsy store? Check out Hix.ai Chat. It's the best chat GPT alternative for personalized advice and support.